If you want to retrace your steps in AdWords, maybe see where something may have gone wrong, or simply look back to see what changes you made and when, you can make use of the change history. It's very easy to get to at either the campaign or ad group level, and you can see here it goes into great detail about what exactly you did. On the left, you have the date and the time and who made the change on your team. Next to that, there will be the campaign and the ad group that the change was made at. And then on this column here, you can see the actual changes. And if you click the show details on any of these, you can see things like keywords that were added, uh, budget increases or decreases, if negative keywords were added, and so on and so forth. So this is often a good tactic to use if maybe performance has dipped lately, but you're not quite sure why. So you can take a look at the date where the metrics started to drop, go back into change history and see if there was a keyword that was accidentally added as a negative, if maybe you bid too much or you reduce the bid by too much and now you're just not getting enough traffic. Things like that. The change history can be very helpful. And on this last column here, you see it says undo status. You can just simply click that and it will undo that change made. No need to go back and change a bid manually again. You can just make use of this button. So the change history is a great tool to use but is often overlooked.